Hello, I'm Whisper, and welcome back to the Wastelands of Fallout 4. Now, the last video, I remarked that the Survivalist Toolkit really needed a better workbench than that barrel. And yeah, that generally tends to get me started, doesn't it? Oh, I miss picking these up. Gee, I don't know why I did that. I'm not saving.
Bingo.
It is my loot goblin tendencies. At any rate, so we need a better workbench. Should I throw it down in the darkness? No, I'll put it down in the light. It's dark. It's probably lighter. The recording seems to do lighter. But for me, it's quite hard to see what's going on out there in the wastelands. So, let us have a look at how this workbench model looks. Now, I've given it quite a few tries. I think I've got the collision worked out. Alright. That's a little bit of a... Maybe I don't have the collision worked out quite right. Any rate, okay. Can I bang into it? Well, I bang into it and stop. Tools, bits and pieces, rubbishy junk. OSHA approved anvil. OSHA not improved. Grindstone run by a lawnmower engine. Take your fingers off that one. Okay, it looks like it expects the top to be lower than I've got it. Well, I might keep it how it is. Let's do... Okay, making one works. Getting out is easy peasy. Let's try just shifting it around. Oh. Tilts just a little. I wonder why. Still, on the whole, I'm quite pleased for a generally first attempt at making my own collision and changing the layout of the... Well, I don't know what they can call it, table that is on. The base game table is only one level in the top. And I stretched it up and chucked another and made some collision. Let's see. That was not what I meant to do. This. Yeah, the collision is solid right through. Sounds like I'm shooting metal. More bullet hole scars. Oh, didn't see that. Oh, here. Okay, for some reason that struck me very strangely. Well, that's worked pretty well, I think. I could try doing the split collision, but I'd say for now it's not a bad starter. Right. Camping supplies with a somewhat better workbench. I might make some others depending on, well, once they drop the patch and once I get a properly functioning anniversary edition, then I can start going through and looking at tarting up some of these things. Anyway, cheers.